Hello students, today we are going to learn about the number 0. So, let's know about 0. Here, you can see different types of fishes in the sea. How many fishes do you see here? Yes, there are 3 fishes. Now how many fishes do you see? Yes, there are 2 fishes. Now, how many fish do you see there? Confused? How do we say that there are no fishes? Well, no worries. There is a special number 0 to help us. Now, let's learn about the number 0. This is how you write number 0. Now, let's learn how to write 0 in capital letter Z, E, R, O, 0. Now, in small letter Z, E, R, O, 0. It's time for some questions. There are different types of fruits on the table. How many orange do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 oranges. How many bananas do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 bananas. How many apples do you see there? 1. Yes, there is 1 apple. How many grapes do you see there? Here, we cannot find any grapes on the table. So, yes, there is 0 grapes. Therefore, when there is nothing, or no objects, we call it 0. So, there are altogether 4 oranges, 7 bananas, 1 apple and 0 grapes on the table. Hope everyone had fun watching the video and learning the number 0. Thank you.